Hello YouTube and welcome to another Git tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to unpack all objects of a Git repository. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you can see here, I'm inside a hello repo. Okay, so let's see what it contains. So I will issue the command ls. So it contains just a readme file, but of course it contains also the .git folder, which is hidden. So this folder, as you can see here, contains actually the Git database. Okay, so let's get inside and see the structure of its files and folders. So I'll use the command tree -a for showing hidden folders, and capital C just for showing colors with folders and files. Here we go. Okay, so this is the tree of the .git folder. So you can see here a bunch of files and folder. And what is interesting for our video is this pack file here inside the pack folder, inside the object folder. Okay. So if you want to see what is inside this pack file here, you can just use the command git verify pack with the option -v, and here we provide the full path to this file here, which is .git objects pack and pack minus something .pack. Here we go. So you can see it contains a bunch of commits, actually just 2 commits, 2 trees and 2 blobs. Okay, so how I can unpack this file here and actually get all this object in our tree? So it's pretty easy to do so. So let's first move this pack file to the current directory, because if you want to do this procedure, you have to move this pack outside the .git folder. Okay, so let me clear that. So I will use the command move actually, and I have to provide actually my pack or my path to that pack file, which is .git objects pack, and I know it's something that begins with the pack keyword and that ends with the pack. Okay, that's something pack. Ah yes, I forget to mention where I'm going to move this pack file. So actually let's move it to the current directory, which is hello. So I will just use the dot as its destination. Here we go. Let's verify that with ls command. So as you can see, we have moved our pack. Let's verify with the tree command. So we only have the .idx file and the pack file has disappeared. Actually it has moved from this pack folder to the current directory. Okay. Okay, so now that we have done this, and now that we have our pack in the current directory, we can just use the command unpack-object. So I will cut this file here, pack something. I will pipe it to the command get unpack-objects. Et voila, that's all. Let's hit enter. So as you can see with the message, unpacking object 100% done. So let's verify that in the tree. Here we go. Now we can see inside the folder objects, we have unpacked all the object that was inside the .pack folder. Okay, so actually this pack here file that you can see has all those files. It's a bunch of 6 files or objects actually. So now we can remove this pack file here. So to remove it, pretty easy, pack, and voila, I have to answer just yes to confirm. And now we have deleted the pack from the current directory, and we have all our objects and the tree. Okay, so I have to say this is not recommended to do so because it can take more space in your repo, but it's very useful if you want to inspect manually your Git database. Okay, one last thing, if you have actually this object here and you want to compress them or to pack them once again, it's pretty easy. You have to issue the command git jc, which stands for garbage collects. I will hit enter. Here we go. So now let's see our tree once again. Normally we should see back our .pack file, and here we go. Now we have compressed all the object into one pack file. So that was just a brief actually view of how you can unpack files or objects actually inside your .git folder in your Git repository. Okay, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.